Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's project is moon art and I am going to start priming the board first. For priming, here I am using white acrylic paint and I love the process of priming by myself. So guys, here all the priming is done and now I am taking the texture paste from Bluebird and applying it all over the board using my hand. Here I am using a cling paper and applying it on the board on the texture paste and just dabbing it very nicely so it will just stick it on the board with the texture paste. Here I am dabbing all of the board so it will get stuck, and now I am making the portions or shapes what I want to make, the sizes of the circles and different texture what I wanted to create, the small, the large, the medium. You can see whatever you like to do. And now I am just nicely removing all the cling paper from up. Now we are going to take the textured paste in the piping bag. So I don't have the piping bag, so I am using this plastic bag, and after adding the texture paste in the piping bag, just cut. So here I just started giving a pop-up look because I don't give the too much paste on the base. I don't give it a thick layer, so as we know we need to give it a little bit 3D effect. So for 3D effect I am giving it a little bit more texture in it, and after adding all this texture we are going to give some texture with the knife. Let's see in the coming part. So it's all done now. I have taken the brush and I am just giving the texture and merging all the circles inside the base, so it will look like they are just merged in and popping up from the base, not look like they are just individuals and separate from the base. For small circles I am using the brush, and for the bigger ones I am going to give the texture with the help of a fork, as it give a little bit different texture, so the different textures for the moon art will look more natural and more mergy. As you have seen that the fork is giving the different type of texture and the brush have given the different texture, so it will look more mergy and more natural. So after completing this side of texture, we are moving towards the base, and I took the glove, or you can take any brush or sponge and give it dab all over the remaining area that is looking like not merging in it. So you can just dab on all of the area and it will give it a little bit sharp edges and messy and mixy look with the look like a moon, as it looks natural and merged. Now I have taken the numbers, as I see that instead of numbers I have taken the names of Allah, and I am painting it in the black color so it will pop up on the white base. And here my vendor just forgot to give me a hole inside the board, and here I am finding the center to get a hole done by myself. So I just decided to give it a video, so you can also know if sometimes you got this chance to give it a drill by yourself, so you can do it by yourself. So here I am counting and finding the middle, and after finding the middle properly you need to just mark it properly After completing the marking process, you need to take the drill and just give it a little bit pinch so you can find the exact hole. After giving it the perfect space you find it, now start pointing the nail in it and then start drilling it. Don't go at once from first time, okay? Now here I am attaching the clock machine for the clock needles, and here I am attaching the lights on the corner, and after giving it the ring and attaching all the numbers on the sides of the clock, I am going to apply the needles on it as it looks so amazing. And when the light is gonna turn on, it was going to look so amazing. Just take a look. If you like the video and learned anything from this video, just give it a thumbs up and comment in the comments box, and also subscribe my channel so you can get the amazing chance to get and know and learn the different ideas from my page. Take care. Bye bye.